everlasting Lord. Late in time, behold him come, offspring of the Virgin's womb. Veiled in flesh, the Godhead see. Hail incarnate deity, pleased as man with man to dwell. Jesus our Emmanuel. Hark the herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Hail the heavenly Prince of Peace, hail the Son of righteousness, light and life to all he brings, risen with healing in his wings. Now he lays his glory by, born that man no more may die, born to raise the sons of earth, born to give them second